Hello, today we will be looking at some downtown locations. Downtown Manhattan. What do people come down here to see? People come down here to see this. Downtown Manhattan. What you will notice here is that these testicles were removed when they had the big upraising on downtown Manhattan. You can see that it's been reattached, most likely not functioning at this point. Bowling Green Park. Park notice. What can you do? What can you not do? In Japanese or Chinese. Inside the park. Waterfall. Better view of the waterfall. People are just enjoying some fresh air during lunchtime. Maybe some tourist people as well, who are just sitting around taking a break. And of course, coming up, live performance in New York. New York wouldn't be New York without some live performance. National Museum of the American Indian Performance.
We come back home to our people, to our family, but most importantly to ourselves. Coming back home. No, my people beat and breathe. I gotta find myself. I'm tired of living with this extra weight.
What you saw back there is some live performance. Tourist groups. They come in groups. Summertime ice cream truck. They're everywhere. And of course you have your NYPD cars always zooming by, trying to catch some bad people. Hebrew Brentley, The Great Debate 2021. New York City Parks. This is Mr. Brentley. Not sure why he's here, but he is here. Everybody seems to come and take a picture of this guy. Famous Statue of Liberty to the left. And here we have the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel. Underneath this thing is the entrance to the tunnel that takes you to Brooklyn from downtown Manhattan. And now some random stuff. This is an undercover NYPD police car. You can see those two little white lights. And you can see here on these doors, after a few police officers got shot, they put these bulletproof doors and bulletproof windows. Not very hard to spot these with these antennas in the back and these very odd looking rims. Typical halal food stand. Lunchtime and snack time, and tourist people, they all come here to grab one of these. Waiting to get my lunch from the famous Continental Express. Hungry.
Well, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Because sharing is caring, and caring is sharing.